Egg Gravy Rice Noodle.
Close your eyes and imagine a bustling Malaysian hawker center, alive with sizzling, tantalizing aroma of savory delights. Today, my friends, we have diving into the heart of Malaysian cuisine to uncover the secret of a dish that's comforting as it's delicious, Wan Tan Hor. But what exactly is Wan Tan Hor? You ask. It's a tantalizing combination of silky smooth flat rice noodle bathed in a rich velvety egg gravy, guaranteed to transport your taste bud to foodie heaven. Let's get cooking!
First up, prepare the ingredients. Wash and lightly chop the Asian vegetables like bok choy or choy song. You can include other vegetables like carrot or bean sprouts as well. Despite of the prawn seafood, we also include a fish cake, easily bought from the Asian store around the world. It adds a savory and slightly sweet seafood flavor to this dish. Slice and chop garlic. Chopped garlic cooks quickly and softens readily. If you want a milder garlic flavor, then don't need to chop it, just put the whole garlic cloves. Once done the ingredients preparations, let's head over to the cooking stove. You must be wondering what is Wan Tan Hor. It's a popular stir-fried noodle dish in Malaysia. Wan Tan translates to silky smooth eggs in Cantonese. It refers to the savory and slightly sweet egg gravy that forms the base of the dish. Hor, and also considered as hor fan, these are the flat rice noodle, typically stir-fried briefly to achieve a soft and chewy texture. In some regions, Kuey Teow might be used instead, which are flat rice noodle with a slightly wider shape. Once the cooking pot is hot, or you can taste it with a drop of water should sizzle when it's hit the surface. Add your chopped or minced garlic. Use a chopstick to stir the garlic constantly to prevent it from burning. Garlic burns quickly and turns bitter, so keep a close eye on it. For a stronger garlic flavor, cook until it becomes fragrant and lightly golden brown, about 30 to 60 seconds normally. For a milder garlic flavor, cook until it becomes softened and translucent, about 15 to 30 seconds. First thing first, we need our noodles. Traditionally, Wan Tan Hor uses hor fun, which are these flat rice noodles. But you can also find it made with Kway Teow, which are similar but slightly wider. Both work great. Fresh Kway Teow has a better texture and is less likely to crumble than dry Kway Teow. If using dry Kway Teow, soak it in warm water for 15 to 30 minutes to rehydrate it. Add on 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, which is the main seasoning, adding a salty and umami flavor. To add a bit of color, add on the caramelized dark soy sauce, is around 1 tablespoon, depending on how dark the color that you want to. While dark soy sauce has a stronger soy flavor than light soy sauce, it's not overpowering. It adds a richer and more complex soy taste compared to the lighter and saltiness of light soy sauce. It's important to note that the dark soy sauce isn't a direct substitute for light soy sauce, while it adds flavor. Close the lid and let it cook for a couple of minutes. As you stir fry, watch out the aroma and look for visual signs of smokiness. That's where they tell you that's done of the flat noodles. So remove the stir-fried flat noodles from the pot. If you're new here, please don't forget to click subscribe button for more recipes. Now let's prepare the sauce. In the same cooking pot, add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Add the minced garlic and stir fry until fragrant. Next ingredient is the fish cake. Fish cake has a pleasant, bouncy, and slightly chewy texture that contrasts well with the soft noodles and gravy. It provides additional textural interest to the dish. Now add on our seafood. 2 prawns, and 3 scallops. And remember, this is just one serve. If you want more seafood, you can add on more. Wan Tan Hor is a customizable dish. Some people might prefer it with more seafood flavors, or chickens, or pork, while others might enjoy a vegetarian version, including fish cake allows for flexibility and caters to those who enjoy a seafood element. Stir fry all these components until golden brown. Once the seafood are cooked, remove them from the cooking pot. Remove them allows you to control its doneness independently. You can ensure the protein is cooked through beforehand without affecting the delicate texture of the egg gravy later. Now it's time to include all of our Asian vegetables and stir fry for a couple of minutes. If you are using Prince sprout, I would suggest that do a little bit later at this stage, as you still want to maintain the crisp and the freshness of the bean sprout. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce and half a teaspoon of light soya sauce as our seasoning. Crack 1 fresh egg. Use the chopstick lightly scramble. Include half cup of water or chicken broth. Close the lid and let it shimmer for a couple of minutes. Once the gravy is boiling, open the pot lid. Last round of seasoning, few drops of fish sauce, 1 teaspoon of ABC sweet sauce, one teaspoon of Chinese Shaoxing wine. Shaoxing wine offers a complex flavor profile with notes of umami, sweetness, and tertiary-like character. Last ingredient is cornstarch water. It is used to thicken the egg gravy and achieve that desired silky smooth texture, easily made by cornstarch and a little bit water. Make sure add this at the end to thicken the sauces quickly and easily. Simply mix it with a small amount of cold water to create a slurry, then whisk it into the hot air mixture like this. It thickens rapidly as the temperature rises, giving you good control over the gravy's consistency. Once cooked, pour over the gravy sauce into our previously stir-fried Kway Teow. The moment of truth in the Wan Tan Hor, the glistening egg gravy meeting the soft, spongy, springing rice noodles. Is a visual symphony that instantly sets your mouth watery. Look at the golden hue egg gravy, flicker with emerald flakes of Asian vegetables, vibrant, strong seafood smell, and a perfectly cooked fish cake. With your first mouthful, you can feel the anticipation building as you imagine the first bite, the soft noodles yielding to your chopstick, releasing the warmth and flavor of the gravy. Each mouthful is a delightful dance of texture, smooth egg contrasting with the slight chew of the noodles. Wan Tan Hor isn't just a dish, it's an experience for the senses. It's a visual feast, an aromatic invitation, and a promise of pure deliciousness. It's a dish that makes you eager to grab your chopstick and dive right in. Recap my recipes or head over to hankery.com for print out recipes. But if you are craving a different kind of Kuey Teow experience, check out my other recipe and click on the links in description box for better than takeout Kuey Teow. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Click on the notification bell and don't miss out any episode. Share this video with your friends or family who love noodles. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.